There are three types of the defects, crystal defects, point defects, uh, line defects, and plane defects. Now consider the first defect is the point defects. What is the point defects? The defects are irregularity or fault, irregularities around the defect or irregularities around the point. Point is where is the atom. Irregularity around the point, irregularity around the atom in crystal, in a crystalline structure, in a crystalline structure, in crystalline structure of a crystal is called point defects. What is the point defects? Irregularities, imperfections, or fault around the point, around the atom in the crystalline substance, in the crystalline structures of substance is called point defects. Okay. So what are the types of the point defects? There are three types of the point defects. Which are the three types of the point defects? First is stoichiometric point defect. Stoichiometric point defects. Second is the non-stoichiometric non-stoichiometric stoichiometric non-stoichiometric point defects. So these are the third types of the point defects. First is the stoichiometric point defect, second is the non-stoichiometric point defect, and third is the impurity defect. Third is the impurity defects. So these are the three types of the point defects. What are the types of the point defects? Stoichiometric point defects, non-stoichiometric point defects, and impurity defects. These are the three types of the point defects. Now consider what is the stoichiometric point defect. First consider what is the stoichiometry. What is the stoichiometry? What is the stoichiometry? It is the fixed ratio. Do you know compound have the fixed ratio of the atoms, ions, cations and anions in the chemical formula? That fixed ratio of the cations and anions in the chemical formula, cation and anions and in chemical formula, or fixed ratio of the atoms in the chemical formula is called the stoichiometry. So stoichiometry remains in the point defect. Stoichiometry remains fixed. Stoichiometry remains unchanged. What is the stoichiometry? Stoichiometry is the fixed ratio of the atoms, fixed ratio of the cations and anions in the substance, in the chemical formula of the substance is called stoichiometry. What is the stoichiometric defects? Stoichiometric defect. In the stoichiometric defects, stoichiometry remains same. Stoichiometry remains unchanged. There is no change of the stoichiometry in the stoichiometric defects. Do you know stoichiometric defect is the type of the point defects? What is the stoichiometry? Fixed ratio of the atoms. It is the fixed ratio of the atoms or fixed ratio of the anions, cation and ions in the chemical formula of the compound, chemical formula of the substance is called stoichiometry. Now what is the stoichiometric defect? In the stoichiometric defect, stoichiometry of the substance, stoichiometry of the crystals remains unchanged, remains same. There is no change in the stoichiometry in the stoichiometric defects. It is also these defects also called intrinsic or thermodynamic defects. This defect, which defect? Stoichiometric defects is called intrinsic or thermodynamic thermodynamic defects. What is the another type of the taichometric defects? Intrinsic defect or thermodynamic defects is the another name of the taichometric defects. In the taichometric defect, taichometry remains unchanged. There is no change in the taichometry. This is also called intrinsic or thermodynamic defects. Taichometric defect is also called intrinsic defect or thermodynamic defects. Okay, so these are called intrinsic defects or thermodynamics defects. It have the four types. Taichometric defects have the four types. First type is the, what is the first type? First type is the vacancy defect. Vacancy defect. Vacancy defect. It has the four type. Taichometric defects have the four type. Vacancy defect. That is in the vacancy defect, taichometry remains as it is. Okay. Second type is the vacancy defect. Second type is the interstitial defect. Interstitial defects. So this is the second type of the taichometric defect. Third type is the Frankel defects. Frankel defects. And fourth type is the Schottky defect. Schottky. SHOTTKY. Schottky defects. What are the different types of the taichometric defects? There are in the taichometric defects, taichometry remains unchanged. This is also called intrinsic or thermodynamic defect. Taichometric defect is called intrinsic defect or thermodynamic defects. It have the four types: vacancy defect, Frankel defect, Schottky defect, and self-interstitial defects. So these are the types of the taichometric defects. What are the type of the taichometric defects? There are four types of the taichometric defects, which are the vacancy defect, Schottky defect, Frankel defect, and self-interstitial defects.